I'm out here at Devi's house, and this is what we got going on. So he's a welder, part-time welder on the side. So what I'm going to be doing is having him modify this new tire hitch, and we're going to be cutting 9 inches off. So we're going to cut right here and then to right here, and we're removing this whole 9 inches of metal, and then he's going to reattach this into this, and so we won't have this big long piece hanging off. Oh, hello, welcome. This, you know, tire piece, when it comes down, will still rest on this. It's just we won't have all of this metal in between. All right, guys, so I'm over here at Devi's house. Here's Devi, and hey. He's doing this, you know, kind of welding on the side. He works over at the refinery. I was wrong. I thought he worked for a pipe company, yeah. But it's the refinery here in Salt Lake. So anyway, this is what he does on the side to continue to provide for his family, which is you know, very respectful and honorable. And we'll put the camera on his work and see what we can do. So thank you so much, Devi.
Yeah, we went out here working all the time. So.
And there it is.
This piece in here, huh? Perfect.
Man, much better.
Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna bevel these out.
Okay.
And then kind of take some of that paint off. Yeah.
All right. All right, so Devi's about ready to bevel some of these edges here and remove some of this automotive paint. He told me beveling these edges allows the weld better, and the paint doesn't get in the way and all that, and he'll have this thing, this portion lined up exactly like this with like a new magnet holder that he just bought, which is pretty cool. And then we'll be in business. So So all we were doing there is just making sure that we could get, you know, if I have like a long piece of tube that's going to go in to tow something, it will pass through this weld. So he's going to tack it up and then just kind of test fit it, if you will, from there, and then he'll weld it all the way in. All right, so we got all finished up here over with Devi. He knocked it out of the park with his welding the Hitch receiver. And you know, hey Devi, if people are here in the greater Salt Lake area and they need some welding work done, how could they reach out to you?
Yeah, I'll send you my link.
Okay.
My Instagram and my Facebook.
Instagram and Facebook. So we'll put that on the channel for you guys. That'll get all that information directly to Devi. He's also got some photos and stuff of his work too, but man, I mean, I just saw it firsthand. It's awesome, and he's a good guy to work with as well. So we'll see y'all later.
See you.